Good morning, children. Welcome to the Life Skills class. I want to ask you a question. Why is that a few people are always able to complete their work on time? Whatever amount of work you give them, they are always finishing on time. While there are few others who are always complaining that they were not given sufficient time to finish the work and they are never ever completing their work on time. Why is it so? The most important difference between these two types of people is that a few are able to manage their time well while others are not. I'll give you an example. Say the same amount of homework was given to two children, and both the children come back at the same time from the school and they take a rest for some time, then they begin doing their work. Let's say child A starts doing the work with complete focus, with complete sincerity, without letting his attention divert on other things. He sits down and completes the work and do not get up till he has finished it. On the other hand, child B, he gets up at the same time, starts doing the work, but in between he is distracted. Then he thinks, okay, let me watch TV for some time and then I'll quickly go back to finishing my work. He watches TV, then he wants to do something else. Then he keeps himself busy in doing all the other things possible other than completing his homework. So the child A, he finishes his work on time and then he has time to meet up with his friends and to play with them. While child B, without finishing the work, without finishing his homework, goes off to play and spends time in the park. Both of them come back, and while child A is very satisfied with the work he has done, goes off to sleep comfortably, peacefully. While child B, when it comes to bedtime, he realizes that he has not completed his homework and he is supposed to submit it the very next day. And then he starts panicking. Then he will sit down and he will do his work half-heartedly or in a rush. And it will definitely affect the quality of work he is doing. So we can say that child A has good time management skills, while child B has poor time management skills. So this is the topic for today's life skills class, time management. So how can we manage our time well? We can start doing it by preparing a to-do list. To-do list means prioritizing your work according to their importance. Preparing a list of all the work that is to be done in sequence. confident that all of you will be managing your time very well from today.